Okay, Josie, T-pieces. Everything has 40 millimeters, okay? The diameter on everything is 40 millimeters. The size, the lengths of what we've cut, these are 400 millimeters, and these are 40 millimeters, and this is 40 millimeters. So there's not a whole lot of anything you have to remember. Okay.
Just have to remember 4.
4, and that's it.
Well, that's it. What are we building? I'm a bit confused.
Oh, I thought we're gonna uncut and then cut again, or what?
Well, what is this all about? I'm confused.
Okay,
what
so
is
we're
this?
starting there. Okay, so
Is this are you a plumber?
This is going to be built into a portable lobster / crab trap. You put it on your backpack and off you go. Never been done before. First time ever on YouTube we have a portable lobster pot. This is all going to fit into one little bag and away we go. How cool is that?
I am super impressed. Can I see it all happening?
Yeah, check this out. Let me get my plans. It's very important to work from plans. There you go. Now stay with me now, Josie. This is going to happen very fast.
Good, because I'm going to make it faster when we're filming.
Okay.
I mean, when we're editing. So did you thumb suck this, Mike, or did you actually follow something?
No, I thumb sucked it. There's my drawings. I had an idea on what I wanted to do, and then I cut everything, and then I cut it all again.
Like you said, you're a double cutter. Some people are double dippers, and you're a double cutter.
Measure once, cut at least 3 times. Now, this is the important part. 1, 2, 3, 4 joiners. The cool thing is, Josie, all the stuff is standard. So it's not the most durable of material, to be honest. It's going to, somewhere along the line, you're going to break something, stand on something, but you just go to the flipping hardware store and get another piece.
Nearly done.
Okay, so that's the frame. Next thing we've got to build is you've got to build this guy. Now we're going to now cut a hole through there, and we're going to put the entrance to the loft. All I need to do is put that in there.
Cable ties again.
And I love cable ties. Well, what
Should
they
have been
call
a
it?
cop
They call
or a pawn.
what do they call these things? Zip ties, eh? And done.
Yay.
How's that?
Sure. That was a lot of work.
Pretty good, eh?
Yeah. Very nice, Mike. I hope you catch... I don't think you'll catch fish in that because the fish will swim right out.
Yeah, you see, you don't want to catch the little guys.
No.
You know, but, and this is specifically for the crayfish. Yeah, almost done, Josie. So check it out. Those are all the pieces. Into your bag. Can't wait to try it out, eh? It's going to be the flipping bomb. We're going to catch crayfish this season. They open up for one day. We'll get our quota. And check it out. There's your bag. What? All ready to go. It's just going to slip over. Wrap it up. Very important how to fold it. Check it. And don't forget your cable ties, guys. You're going to need it just to tie up that netting onto your what, and then
Amazing.
tell you what, I'd love to know what this weighs. I'll pop this in.
Good luck.
Cheers, Josie.
Yeah.